Things great video. In this tutorial we're going to have a startup with Python, but just simply inputting string and outputting string. So for Python you need an environment that you have to run your Python code in. That it needs some sort of installations and the other steps. To just have a workaround, we introduce Google Collaboratory for your use, and for the rest of the tutorials we're going to use the Google Collaboratory as well, because as you can see it's an environment that is non-setup, and as the Google says, it runs entirely in the cloud and it gives you access to the GPU, and it has many different features that is going to be useful for you. All you need is to just simply have a Google account and just log into your Google account. As you see, I'm logged in, and just do the rest. Let's just get started. So here we are going to create a new Python 3 file, and we wait for the kernel to be loaded, and we just start coding Python. So we don't basically need much here. Simply assume we are going to have a string equal to hello world. This is the simple Python syntax, and for running this part I've got to do shift enter, and we go to the next cell. For the specification, you will see there are different commands: run all, run before, run selection, basically many different things. I just by habit use shift enter to just run the cell, which is going to go to the next one. So here we just simply want to print the string, and if you see, if we do shift enter again, it just prints for us. So the Python syntax is simply you put whatever you want to print in those signs, and you print and you see the output there. It's pretty nice, huh? So the Google Collaboratory gives us this environment that we can simply and instantly see the outputs of what we're doing here. Let's just be a little bit different here. So here we have input string equal to the command input that we're using, like this. And as you can see, it's just use a command name input and put the input in the argument input str that we define. So we do shift enter. They're actually asking us for something that we need to enter. So let's assume we want to do whatever. Welcome to machine learning mindset, for example, and we enter. As you can see, it's run. Welcome to the machine learning mindset. This is the output, simple. And if here we come, let's see if we print the input string, so it actually gives us a suggestion. We just select it, what it gives us. So see, we simply here use the input command and requested from the user to put something as the input, and we print it, and the string is shown in the output, as you can see. That's all. That was the starting of our Python tutorials, by simply printing the famous hello world phrase. Hope you enjoyed. Just make sure that you follow our future videos. We're going to step by step explain the important details of Python and the things that are basically necessary for us to understand the way that we use Python in machine learning, other stuff. Feel free to just comment below if you have any questions or comments, or if you have any suggestions for us to improve our content. Thank you so much for your attention.